What's going on, AI pros? Michael here, and in this video, I want to be showing you how that you can make money with AI, ChatGPT, and WAP. Now, if you've never made money online before, don't worry, you're in the right place. I'm going to be taking you through step by step of how to get started, and I'm going to be giving you access to a bunch of really cool things like the digital playbook right here, checklist that has tutorials of everything that I'm doing daily and how to get started with affiliate marketing. And down here below is what you'll see is the different tabs, as far as this is the clip merchant tab, where this goes into clipping and more information on WAP. This is just frequently asked questions. Here are prompts that I use for my short form content. And then right here is a Notion tab of other prompts that are all around content creation, maybe customer support, copywriting. Going back to the digital playbook, this is probably one of my favorite tabs, which is 130 plus AI tools that you're able to get paid to promote. So basically what you're doing is you're getting paid for people clicking on links. So all these tools have affiliate programs, and when you send traffic to these links, you get a commission. Now, over here is about 700 AI videos, short form videos that you can go ahead and post to your different social media platforms, because you need traffic for those links, and creating content is one of the quickest and easiest ways to do that. And then right here is just a library of extra resources for maybe you want to start like an AI automation business. And then these are different Fiverr gigs I've used for SEO, cold calling, other things like that. Now, if you want to get access to all of this, just go ahead and leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe. But now let's go ahead and dive into the video. So to get access to the digital playbook or our community where the digital playbook is hosted, just go to digitalplaybook.com. It'll be the first link in the description, and it'll take you to this screen right here. This is our WAP. WAP is just a platform that you're able to build communities, sell digital products, kind of like school. And this is where you get access to the digital playbook right here. It says $15, but it is going to be like $17 just because WAP does take a little percentage of that. Go ahead and join this, get access to everything, because once we hit 1,700 people, the price will go up. What you see right here is these are the different apps that you're going to get access to, which I'll go ahead and go through right here. This is the new Start Here app. Basically, this is where you'll see and get access to the digital playbook right here. And these are just people introducing themselves. Over here, this app is the Clipping Deals app. So you can see right here, this is course to show you how to get started with clipping. And then right here, this is the Clip Merchant Swap, where this is where partnered with other creators to where you can actually clip and make short form content for them. Over here is just where the leaderboards, as far as this would be people making money in WAP. So as you can see, people that are online right now, none of them have made money. And that just shows you that a lot of people aren't taking action. Right here is an announcements. I'm going to start posting more in the announcements, but normally I'll just post in the chat right here, just giving you guys a little bit of motivation, reminding you guys how to do stuff. But when people have questions, they normally just send me a direct message. I have notifications on my phone, so any questions or comments or concerns, I'll be able to get back to you that way. Right here is some of the top or the best affiliate offers on WAP. This has to do with social media, crypto, sports betting, miscellaneous, but you can see the other things right here. But let's go ahead and get into the video. So you can see right here, this is going through the checklist from top to bottom, and it says you need to get a tool called Go High Level. I'm sure if you've been on YouTube and looking up how to make money online, you've seen this tool. I love this tool because it is, it says right here, it's an all-in-one platform. 14-day free trial. Now, when you do sign up for this, I'm just going to keep it honest with you guys. You're probably not going to make money the 14 days when you get started, because that's going to be the time where you're posting content and warming up your account. Because unless you already have a presence on social media, it's going to be really hard to drive traffic to these different links. So if you're not ready to invest in yourself or pay that $15, like I don't really care too much about YouTube analytics, just go ahead and like go to a different video, find someone else to watch. So like actually just leave this video, because what I'm about to be talking about isn't going to be applying for you. All right. If you stayed, I'm going to take you through how to get set up and what everything should look like. So once you sign up for the 14-day free trial, you'll get taken to a screen that looks like this. This is your sub account on Go High Level. And the three areas that I'm going to be talking about over here are going to be sites, automations, and marketing. Sites is where the funnels and websites are going to be, which is the front end of your quote unquote business. Automations, that's where the email sequences and all that stuff is going to be built out. That's the back end. And then the marketing, that is where the social planner is, that it's going to allow us to be posting content to all of our different social media platforms. Click here for a snapshot. A snapshot allows you to import everything that I'm using inside of my business as far as my funnels, email automations. You'll have access to all of that. All you have to do is import, and then it would import everything into your account. Now, I'm not going to do that because once I hit import, it's going to take you to right here. You'll just import that by hitting create new account, but I'm not going to do that because I already have an account. And then going back to here, let's just go to sites. So the same funnel that you guys went to go grab the VIP checklist and get the digital playbook, you have access to this. So maybe you want to promote a different tool, but I'm giving you the framework and infrastructures to what it should look like when you're trying to drive traffic. So let's say we're going back to the digital playbook here. Let's say you want to promote a different AI tool. So as you can see up here, these are some of the main ones that I talk about. One that I can't live without that I've been using is Descript. And what Descript is it allows me to create content, record content, and edit all my content. I would show you this, but that's what I'm recording my content on right now. And you can use this, you can get started for free. I love this tool. I've been using it for over a year, and they allow you to do some really cool things. So maybe you want to talk about this tool. So going over to your funnel right here, maybe it would be like grab my top 10 editing checklist tools you can get started with right now. So just be whatever. And then when they would go and here, first name, email, that is when they get automatically opted in to your automation, which we're going to go over right here. Now, when you enter in the snapshot, like I said, you get access to all of this stuff right here. This is email automations, email engagement, but the automation that I want you guys to use is over here called the new email opt-in. And the reason why it's not in any of these folders is because this has over 600 emails right here. And these emails are geared toward promoting Go High Level. But the really cool thing is, just like with anything, just go in here, copy what I have and take it into ChatGPT and say, hey, ChatGPT, I need you to rewrite this to promote Descript. And you're probably wondering, well, how am I going to be making money? These are hyperlinks, and these are all connected to your affiliate link, because if you can see right here, bad example, if you can see right here, there should be a custom value. Custom value. So that means I'm going to take you guys over to settings to where all we do is copy our link there in settings. And then everywhere that there's a little custom value trigger, it goes ahead and populates that link. Scroll down here to custom values, and then we'll go to new custom value, type in affiliate link, then you would paste your affiliate link. Now, to sign up for affiliate links, pretty much click on whichever tool, and 95% of the time, if you scroll down to the very bottom, I'm just using Go High Level as an example, they will have something that says affiliate program, become an affiliate, sign up. And the good thing is pretty much every single one of these tools, at least these up here for sure, and the top picks, they have an affiliate program, and they're all at the bottom of the screen, except Blotato. So Blotato's affiliate program is actually located right here, but they make it really easy to find because they want to pay people for promoting their product, because they get more business, they get more eyeballs, and that is the name of the game, is attention. And while I just mentioned attention, I want to talk about something called ACEs. You can see this right here. This is a framework that my mentor taught me, and ACES stands for attention, conversation, educate, and sales. So if you're wanting to make money, you can't make money if no one knows about you, and that requires intention. And how I'm talking about it through my framework is posting content on social media to get that attention. And then when you get that attention, you're asking for their name and email in exchange for giving something away. I'm giving you guys access to the digital playbook in exchange for email and name. And then they get in the email list, and that is when the conversation starts to happen. If you think about it, people are just scrolling on social media. There's so much noise out there. And when you get them on their email list, that's more of a one-to-one conversation. That's when you can start educating them. Then when they're ready to buy and you've given them enough value, that's when you make the sales. So this right here really changed the game as how I thought and running my business. And if you guys can think in this framework, it'll help you guys out a lot. Going back to what we were talking about, setting up your affiliate link. Once you get your affiliate link, we'll go ahead and take this for an example. This would be my affiliate link. And then we would paste it right here, boom, and hit create. I'm not going to do that because I already have my affiliate link right here generated. If I turn that sequence on and someone clicks on that link, they would get directed to that. And then after the free trial, if they decided to purchase, I would get commissions on that rebill. Now, the last thing I want to briefly talk about is marketing. This is where the social planner is, and the social planner is where you're able to schedule out your content. Now, technically you don't need Go High Level. You don't need any of this stuff. But if you don't have the time, or if you don't have money to purchase Go High Level, that means you're going to have to manually upload all of these videos every single day. I have about 8 accounts, Facebook, Instagram, and I'm posting on all of those accounts. So I'm getting not too many views on each account, but out of 8 accounts, it adds up. So I'm getting a lot of eyeballs on my content. You don't have to do that. But like I said, I'm showing you what I do, because that's the only thing I know how to do is what I'm doing. So take it or leave it. Actually, don't leave it. Go ahead and take it. Connect your different social media accounts. Pinterest is something that I haven't done, but if you are familiar with it, I feel like there's some really good traffic on here. If you know anything about Pinterest, please reach out to me. I'd be interested in getting started, but you would just start creating and posting content. I give you access to everything in the digital playbook as far as videos of what to post, the tools of how to push the traffic, and here's all the prompts. Now, once you get the digital playbook, this video right here, it's literally me not talking that much and just showing you step by step of how to go through everything, how to set it up, and how I do everything. So if you want that, just go ahead and get access to the digital playbook right here. All you got to do is just go here, digitalplaybook.com, and it will take you right there. Any questions or comments and concern, you can DM me. But that is going to be it for this one, AI Pros. I will see you in the next video.